Model, 2004 Iveco Daily 35C12 with B3750 wheelie bin Luton box cleaning van MOTED excellent runner. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 114,034. MOT, the 18th of October 2024. Engine, 2287 cc IV 2.3. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, 2 keys. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.